All right, team, let's take a good look at this blade.
Okay.
Tracks need checking. Structural damage seems worse than the photos.
The steel thickness meets criteria.
Yeah.
Structural integrity seems promising. We have the green light. Let's get started. The drone is holding steady.
Okay, I've got the blind spot covered, checking the data now.
Looks good. This point cloud is generating quickly. The plan is straightforward. We start with the engine rebuild, then the track assembly.
Looks good.
Yes, let's proceed. Measure 15 meters to the blade.
Copy that, 15 meters out.
Shackles are secure on the D11, ready to connect.
Free side is tuned.
Checklist confirmed. Everything secure? Confirmed. Panels on, hardware set, ready for lift. Hydraulics engaging. Cables are taut.
Roger that. Initiate slow pull. Stand by for movement.
Confirmed. We have movement. Minimal, but present.
Keep it straight. Slow and steady. Tension good on the left. Verified. Engage brake.
Keep your distance, watch the turns.
Copy that. Coming up on the bend now. Okay, driver, slow ahead, right turn entry.
Copy. Slowing.
Watch the side, clear the bay.
Hold. Trailer brakes applied.
Perfect, set down.
Engaging winches. Take it slow. Stop. Adjustment needed. Looks clear on my side. Proceed. Perfect. We're in position. All right, adjust the angle slightly. Looks good. Check the focus. Let's get the laser alignment on the blade. All right, section 1 is complete.
Yep.
Got the hydraulics and engine covered. Dashboard and schematics look perfect on the tablets. Excellent work, team. Every detail preserved. Okay, scan confirmed on the hydraulic line. Match that to the factory record. Serial number verified on the track assembly.
The measurements align precisely with the scans.
Excellent.
Excellent. Let's authorize the disassembly.
All right, team, the schedule is finalized. Mark and John will handle the engine. Sarah and David, chassis. Confirmed. Got it. Keep it steady. I'm taking this one out. Copy that. Let it down slowly. Check the bolt count. Looks good so far. Keep it steady. Guide it left. Copy. Slow and easy. Clear to hoist. All right, easy on the left. Got it. Watch your fingers. Clear. Bring it back slowly. Looks good. Label it. All right, let's tag this one before we clip it. Yeah, grab a red label for the fuel line. Got it. All right, hold that steady. Got it. Got it. Just one more bolt on this side. Okay, ready to lower it? Okay, that's number 56. Don't forget the protective cap. Got it. Checking it off here. Let's get this routed through the clip. Keep it steady. Watch that left side. Slow and controlled. Clear those lines. Coming down easy now. Keep it steady. Looks clear on this side. Clear on this end too. Take it up. Almost free. Keep that tension.
Got it.
Got it. Slow and steady now. Watch the rail. We're clear. Lowering onto the cradle. Good. All right, watch the universals. Easy now. Steady. Coming clear. Got it. Looks good. Keep it steady. Looking good. Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance. Hand signal confirmed.
Keep it steady. Lowering it slowly. Clear the perimeter.
Keep tension on the ropes. Copy that. Tension maintained. Monitor load balance. Reading stable. Looks good. The transmission matches the manifest. Okay, let's check the hydraulics next. Chief, all components accounted for, ready for restoration. The chassis is structurally sound. Let's tag this section for the sandblasting cabinet. Agreed. We're ready for cleaning. I'm almost done with the front. Okay, I've got the top and the hydraulics. Just need the tracks now. Yep, looking good. Keep it steady in that groove. Got it, looks good. Almost done here. Yeah, getting close. Just the rim now. Keep it even, Character B. Got it, maintaining the angle. Perfect. We're almost done with this section.
Keep rotating the bracket.
Steady, looks good.
Now the compressed air to finish.
Perfect.
Moving to the left now. Adjusting parameters. Scan speed looks good. Verified. Let's start the next section.
Keep it even on the seams. Adjusting the flow, hold steady. Just right. Let's rotate it now. The thickness here is outside our tolerance. Okay, I'm documenting it on the tablet. Mark that weld for repair as well. I'm seeing a critical fatigue crack here. Right. Confirmed on my feed. Mark it, Chris. On it. Looking at the map, we need structural repair along the entire frame. Hold it steady. Almost there. Clear. Clear. All right, carefully down. Got it.
Ensure the weld bevels are exact. This matches the drawing perfectly. Ready for welding.
Looks good, holding strong. Checking alignment now.
Passes look perfect. Original strength restored.
The measurements look good here. Verified. We should move to the next section.
The measurements look perfect. Let's do one final check on the brackets. Ready for the final tack.
Looks like a perfect fit. Dimension checked, ready to weld. Nice. All good to go. The measurements are spot on. Verifying hinge movement now. Looks perfect. Ready for the next stage. Keep working that edge, you're close. Okay. How does that look? Perfect. It's ready. Check the bottom flange on this side. Covered it. Moving to the front now. Okay. Looking good, even coating. Done on this side, inspect the welds. Torque is good. Yeah. Got it hooked here. Slow down, easy now. Clear. Inspection time. Keep rotating it slowly. All right. Checking the temperature here. Looks good. Now use the bore scope.
The main journal measures 3.2505 inches.
Cross-check with the spec sheet, it's within tolerance.
Marking this one approved.
Excellent. Proceed to the next crank pin.
The rings are good.
Right.
Perfect fit on the 4th cylinder. Ready for block installation. Torque spec is good on this one. Checking smooth operation now.
All right.
Hand tight on this rocker arm. Keep it steady. Now the next planetary. Engaging the clutch pack. Clearance is good. Rotate it gently. Yes, that's smooth. Ready. The backlash is within spec. Good. Let's set the preload and run the contact pattern. Check the oil levels before testing. Torque spec is good. Running the pressure test now. Needles holding steady. Test passed. Line it up there. Just a bit more. Ready with the grease? Torque set, go ahead and start the pump. Engaging low pressure, watch for leaks. Looks good, cylinders cycling smoothly. All right, torque to spec on this one. Checking the alignment of the water pump. Verified smooth bearing operation, attaching the fan now. Looks good. Double check the alignment on this feed line. Verified, all connections are secure. The harness is secure. Checking continuity now, it's good. Move to the next section.
The connector's secure. Voltage at 24.1. Nice work. Now, the final torque test on the headlamps.
All right, everything's verified and locked into place. Looks good, let's get it to the cab.
The calibration is within specification. Let's install the lens and secure it into the housing.
Lower it slowly, just a fraction. Got it. Looks good. Let's set the locking strip. The alignment is tight, just like the spec says. Looks good. Let's run through the cycle one last time. Make sure the seal seats evenly around the corner. Got it. Looks good here. Compress test on the door. It closes solid. The alignment is spot on here. Let's check this gap. Looks good on the plans. Ready for paint.
Ensure this edge is perfectly sealed.
Looks good. Check the rams.
Done. Let's verify the hoses.
Keep it even. Don't miss a spot. That's looking good. Smooth. Ready for the inspection? Let's start from the top. I'll take the roof. All right. I'll get the lower tracks and work my way up. Nice and even. Looking good. Keep it consistent there. Matching your pass, looks good. Nice and even, let it flow. Good overlap there. Thanks, working on the tracks. Watch the drip on the joint. The thickness is holding perfectly. Looking good here. The finish is flawless. Ready for the trim. Line that up with the holes. Looks perfect. Grab that ratchet. All right, everything torqued? Check. Check. Just setting the panel now? Good. Let's test the ergonomics.
Torque marks verified. Glass is spotless. Final systems check looks good.
Okay, just a little more. Right. Easy now, that's it. Hand me that torque wrench. Locked in. Keep it slow and steady, watch the gauge. Contact, looks good. Tension verified. Excellent work, team.
Systems check complete, hydraulics are steady, confirmation received, gauges are normal, fluid levels good, lights are on. Status confirmed, ready to start. Ready.
All right, here we go. Looks good. She's alive. Yeah, she's back. The tracks are engaging perfectly. Hydraulics look solid, pressure's good. Let's bring her to a stop. Looks ready. Look at it go. Flawless work. Couldn't have done it without everyone.